Heartburn, three causes, major causes. It could be one of the three or all three. One is that you've been taking a lot of medication and you have sulfur in your system. This can cause a heartburn. Number two is that you are not combining the foods properly. Protein and starches will lead to food sitting there. It can cause heartburn, and or maybe you're consuming too much high protein diets, and it's keeping the enzymes and out of whack. This can cause heartburn, but the most common one that nobody seems to understand or use is interstitial lymphatic stagnation or congestion. That means your lymph system in your GI tract is stagnant and acids are burning from the inside out. This can cause the heartburn. If you don't fix it, it can lead to gastritis and eventually Crohn's, etc. And it goes worse from there. So make sure you jump onto your green drinks if you can tolerate fruits and work your way up to the fruits. But make sure you have herbs for the pancreas, liver, herbs for the small intestines, for the bowels. You need good bowel movements. Use enemas if you have to. And work in your kidney and lymphatic system and your endocrine glands. And that's how you fix it. A little bit of time and you do well. Somebody wrote on my group, they had IBS for the longest time and they got rid of it with the suggestions I'm telling you.